So what is perimeter? Perimeter of a closed figure, like this is a. So today we will study about perimeter only. Area we will cover in next class. So perimeter means the distance. For example, you are starting from here. So what is the distance when you go around this closed figure? Okay. So total distance from the closed figure around the closed figure. For example, this is point A, B, C, and D. Okay, these points, corners, I have named them A, B, C, D. So what is perimeter? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA.
CDA.
Okay, so this is equal to perimeter.
Okay.
So perimeter is nothing but the distance around a closed figure, total distance around a closed figure. Okay, if it is a rectangle, then you have to go around the rectangle. Start from anywhere, no problem. You have to go around the rectangle fully. The total distance is called the perimeter. Okay.
Okay.
So how it is helpful? If you know the, for example, you go to Tupari Park, and in the park you know the length of the park, the width of the park, and it can be different also. For example, this is A, B, C, D. This AB length is 200 meter and BC is 160 meter. Okay, DC is 220 meter. So it can be different length also, no problem. And DA is 150 meter. So how you will calculate the perimeter? You have to add all the lengths. Okay, this will give you the perimeter. So perimeter is nothing but the total distance around a closed figure. The closed figure can be a rectangle, it can be a square, it can be any other figure. So total distance, if you take out around the closed figure, that is the perimeter. Simple. Understood?
Yes.
So whenever you have to calculate perimeter, you just have to add all the values which are given for the length of the figure. For example, if you have T like figure and they have told you find the perimeter. So if it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So perimeter will be addition of all the values. Okay. So it will be like AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. The total which will come, that measurement is the perimeter of this figure. Okay. And if they give you any other figure, for example, they give you find the perimeter of this T like figure. So again, same thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These letters I am writing just to make the concept clear. So whenever they ask a perimeter for this type of figure, just add AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. Simple, you will get the perimeter. If they give you some figure like this, find the perimeter, again A, B, C, D, E, then add AB, BC, CD, DE, EA, you will get the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is simply the total distance around a closed figure, and you know how to find it. Okay.
Okay. So in perimeter we will name the side also AB, like AB.
You can name it, but if you know how to calculate, then no need to name it. For example, in your school question, they have just given this is triangle, this is 7 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter, find the perimeter. So you know 7 plus 8 plus 9 है ना centimeter. This is 8 is a 24 centimeter. This is the perimeter answer. So no need to put ABCD. That ABCD I am putting just to make sure that you understand how to calculate the perimeter. Okay, in rough work you can do that, but once you know how to calculate perimeter, no need to do anything. You just have to add all the values, that's it. Okay.
Okay.
and it is very easy to calculate the value. For example, they have given this T-like image, okay, and they have given you that this is 25 meter, this value is 10 meter, and this value is 10 meter, and this value is 15 meter. Sorry, 1 minute. Let it be 35. Okay. And they have told you to find the perimeter. So how you will find? You know the value of this, okay, and the value of this is also 10 meter. If they have given in the question that this is a figure, है ना? And sometimes they may not give the value of this. So you know the total value of this is 35, है ना? Total is 35, and you know this much is 15, and this much is 10. So you know 15 plus something plus 10 is equal to 35. So 15 plus x, you don't know the value, that is why you written x, plus 10 is equal to 35. Then how you will find x? X plus 15, 10, 25 is equal to 35. Then x will be 10. So this is 10 meter. Understood? So this value which they have not given is 10 meter. So like this you can find out also. Understood?
Yes.
So calculation is very easy when you know the concepts. Okay. So perimeter is very easy. Now if they have given you a rectangle, in rectangle you know opposite sides are equal. This side is equal, and this side is equal. So if they have given that the length is 25 meter and the width is 10 meter. Okay. So how you find the perimeter? Perimeter is
By
20,
plus
25 plus 10 plus 25 plus 10. So 25 is coming 2 times, 10 is coming 2 times. Okay. So what is 25? This is length, है ना? So 25 is the length.
yes.
Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So it is 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Okay. We call it breadth or width, both are okay. So 2 is common. In bracket what will come? Length plus breadth. So this is how you get the formula for perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times of length into breadth. Okay. This is how you get the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Understood?
Yes.
So this is very easy. And perimeter of a square, if you have to find, okay, if you have to find the perimeter of a square, that is much easier than this. Okay, you know in a square all the 4 sides are equal. So if you have to find the perimeter, so perimeter will be equal to, suppose one side is given 10 meter, then it will be 10 meter plus 10 meter plus 10 meter plus 10 meter 4 times, है ना? So perimeter is equal to 4 times, so it means 4 times of 10 meter, okay, is equal to 40 meter. So this 10 meter is one side, okay. If we write S for side, then perimeter of square is 4 times of side, okay. So this is the formula. 4 times of any side is the perimeter. So now you know also how they calculate the perimeter, how they find out the perimeter. So this is very easy. Understood? So if
Yes.
if anybody asks what is the perimeter of a square, okay, so perimeter of square is 4 times the side, because all the sides are equal. And what is perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times of length plus breadth. Okay, because 2 times you add length, 2 times you add breadth, and in this way you go around the complete rectangle. Okay, so this is easy. Now we move on
Okay.
to area. Area. So if we are calculating the area of a rectangle, for example, this is a figure, I will name it for easy understanding, ABCD. So perimeter you find by adding the sides, but area you find by multiplying. Okay, because in area you have to find how much surface this figure is covering. For example, you have a table ABCD and you have to put tablecloth on it. So you need the area, because if you have to cover the table with tablecloth, you will not cover it with a rope. If you want to cover it with a rope, then only the sides will be covered. You will bring a rope, and how you will find out what will be the length of the rope? By finding the perimeter. So perimeter will give you the length of the rope which can cover the table from all 4 sides. Okay, but if you have to cover the area, then you need to find out the area. If you have to cover the full table, surface of the table, then you have to find out the area. So how you find the area? Area is length into breadth if it is a rectangle. So for a rectangle, area is equal to length multiply by breadth. Breadth is also called width. Okay, so this is the area of
Okay.
a rectangle. Understood? When you have to cover anything, then you need the area. So this is the formula of area. Okay. Now how do we find the area of a square? Area of a square is also length into breadth, but because both the sides are same, so it becomes 2 times. In square, what is the condition? Both the sides are same, right?
Yes.
So is equal to, in square all sides are same, so we can write side into side. Okay, and because it is side into side, it is side square. Understood?
Yes.
So area of a flat surface like a square is nothing but side square. Wait, so this is side into side, we can write side square. Why? Because side has power 1, side has power 1, and side square. So if you have to find the area of a square, imagine this is a square of side 5 meter, then area will be 5 square. Okay, meter,
Okay.
so it will be 25 square meters. Okay, or you can write 5 into 5 also. Side into side also is correct, and side square is also correct. But since they have not taught you about square, so you can write side into side, no problem. But for your understanding, you should remember that you can write side square also. Okay, so this is
Okay.
easy.
Yes.
So math is easy if you understand properly. That's it. Okay, I will take 1-2 questions to explain things better. Just give me 1 minute. So what they are saying in one question, length and breadth of a room is, so one room is there, the length and breadth of a room they have given. So length of a room is 23 meter and breadth of the room is 9 meter. Okay, what will be the area of the carpet needed to cover the floor of the room completely. So they want to cover the floor of the room completely. Okay, so they need area of the carpet. Now, when the length and breadth are different, it is a rectangle. When the length and breadth are same, it is a square. So for rectangle, you find the area like 2 into length plus breadth. So it will be 2 into 23 plus 9, है ना, meter. Unit you can write outside. So this will be 2 into 23 plus 9 is 32. Okay, 32 into 2. So what will be the area? Area will be 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 meter square. Sorry, this will be square meter because multiply is there. 1 minute, wait. I think I made a mistake. This is the formula of perimeter, not area.
Area formula is
Length into breadth. Length into breadth. So you will write 23
breadth.
into 9. Okay, square meters. You always say square meters. So 9 3s are 27, 7 to carry over, 9 2s are 18 and 2 20. So 207 square meters. This is the area. So this is how you calculate. Very easy to do the word problems also. Blackboard of your classroom is 70 by 40. Find how much chart paper is needed to cover it. So whenever any chart paper is needed to cover it, means you have to cover it fully. You have to find the area. Also calculate the total length of the frame needed around it. So if there is a blackboard in your class, for covering it with chart paper, you need to find the area. Okay, but if you have to frame it, so how we put the frame? Frame is put around the blackboard. So you have to find the length because frame साइड पे करते हैं, तो फ्रेम लगाने के लिए आपको उसका लेंथ निकालना है, और लेंथ क्या होता है किसी भी क्लोज फिगर के आसपास का? पेरीमीटर. तो जब भी वो पेरीमीटर निकालना होगा वो बोलेंगे लेंथ निकालो. तो जब भी लेंथ की बात होगी उसका मतलब पेरीमीटर. ठीक है. अब ऐसे ही जैसे बोलते हैं कि एक पार्क है, ठीक है, पार्क के आसपास फेंसिंग करनी है. फेंसिंग करनी है मतलब वायर्स लगानी होंगी उनको ताकि कोई बाहर से अंदर ना आ सके. ठीक है, तो इस पे अगर वायर लगानी है उनको, ठीक है, तो अब वो क्या कह रहे हैं, पार्क का डायमेंशन दे दिया है 26 मीटर बाय 30 मीटर. अब उसके आसपास फेंसिंग करनी है, तो व्हाट इज द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द पार्क? टोटल लेंथ ऑफ पार्क पूछा है, जहां भी लेंथ पूछा हुआ है मतलब उसके आसपास फेंसिंग करनी है, तो आपको पेरीमीटर निकालना होता है. तो पेरीमीटर निकाल दो. व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्विमिंग पूल? कोई स्विमिंग पूल है, ठीक है, उसका पेरीमीटर क्या है कि एक जगह शुरू करोगे पूरा घूम के आओगे, कितना है, तो वो भी उसकी लेंथ दे रखी होगी, ब्रेड्थ दे रखी होगी, उसका पेरीमीटर निकाल लो. ठीक है, तो ऐसे
Yes.
इजी क्वेश्चन थे, आप इसको आराम से कर सकती हो. तो एरिया और पेरीमीटर में तो कुछ है ही नहीं टेंशन. ओके, अब आपका कौन सा रह गया है? मीट्रिक मेजर्स. उसका फोटो लेके पीडीएफ फाइल बना के भेजना. और एक पैटर्न्स वाला रह गया है. ठीक है, इन दोनों चैप्टर्स की पीडीएफ फाइल बना के भेज दो. ठीक है, चलो ओके, आज की
ठीक.
क्लास यहीं खत्म कर रहे हैं एक बार. हाँ, क्या हुआ?
ये मेरे को पूछना था कि ये सैनिक स्कूल वाली बुक आप मतलब कि पहले मैथमेटिक्स करवाओगे तो उसके बाद इंटेलिजेंस क्वेश्चन ऐसे ऐसे करके.
पहले मैथमेटिक्स ही होगी ताकि आपके स्कूल में तो नंबर आ जाए.
अच्छा.
हम्म,
हाँ
ठीक है.
ठीक.
आपके क्लास